Hey guys, I appreciate you taking the time to look at this video. So I'm going to try and go through this as quick as possible, but as thorough as possible because I know your time is valuable. What this is, you're looking at a 85, 86 Yamaha Tri-Z harness that I've made, and we're going to compare it to an OEM harness right here. This one is completely OEM. I don't think that it's ever been butchered up or anything. Still was covered in tape and nothing was cut or anything like that. So real quick, we'll look at the front of it and just kind of take a mental picture of it. You got these 3 wires here are a little longer than the rest. You have a total of 7 wires. Then here's mine right here. Now you do have a total of 8 wires, and I'll tell you why. This wire here, I added in place of what Yamaha did here. You see how they have one black wire coming into a female bullet, and then they have this one piggybacking out of it. Rather than do that, I just added an extra wire in right here. So this is what it is. I just did it inside the harness. It's just cleaner, makes more sense to me. So real quick, you have these 3 here that are a little bit longer, which is black, brown, and green. So you have your black, your brown, and your green, and then you have these remaining. Oh, I didn't take mine down. These remaining here. So you can look at those, and we'll skip over here. You look at those there, and then we'll just kind of look back and forth. So then you got your kill switch or your key right here, black and a black white wire. So there's mine. Then you have a long wire here for the coil. Here's mine right here, and I'll lay it right on top in a minute to show that the links are correct. So there's your coil connector. And then you got a blue and red yellow coming out right there with the ground. There's my ground, Yamaha's ground, and then there's mine. And then out back, you just have your tail light, which they have an extra blue one in here, I guess, to run like an auxiliary whip or something like that. I can do that, not a problem. I just did, a single tail light out back. I can also just put on a receptacle here where you can plug two things in at the same time. So I'm laying on top here as best I can with one hand. So I'm gonna take and just flip it over so that it hopefully lays right on top. And I'll line the front up here, and then I'll show you everything else. So see, everything else here is right on the money. Everything's the same there. Okay, now we're gonna go back here, and I'll try with one hand here. So here's the coil. I'll take and lay it right up there. And you see that everything else is in the same place. Here's your coil, and then the black and white wires, boom, they're right there. And then the yellow red, I'll just take and lay it right there. It might come out just a hair higher. I mean, you can adjust it. Well, it slipped right here, you see there, right there. Now they come out in the same spot, and they're just a hair longer, which is fine. I'd rather them be a little longer than short. So then we'll keep that there, and then we'll just go back here to the tail light, and it's exactly the same there. So there's a quick little 3-minute video. I'm gonna post a link where you can purchase this. There will be good pictures in my ad. Everything will be labeled and all that good stuff. The website is southtexasbanshee.com. You can reach me at that phone number. I'm hard to reach sometimes, just keep trying. Shoot me a text, keep your message at the top by bumping it every now and then, and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for looking at this. Again, this is a 85, 86 Tri-Z harness. If you want to hang around and look at it, I'll do a quick front to back real quick on it, on just my harness. All right, guys, thank you.